Hey guys, it's Tony W. I got myself these two patio chairs, which is pretty awesome. I built it myself. I'm going to do a full review right now. It's basically a love seat. They combine into one, but I'll show you that in a little bit. We'll go over how it feels, everything else like that. It came in a box, and it took me about probably 40 minutes to assemble. And it basically clips on together to make a sofa. This thing is about 50 something inches long. And you could add to this, which is really nice. Now, overall, this is a wicker all-weather sofa, but the wicker is actually plastic, so it's not like some rattan thing. It's basically plastic. The cushions are nice. They are comfy. They were all vacuum packed, and when you pull out of the vacuum pack, they all fluff up. There is a tie string in the back that holds it to each of the chairs, so each of these are armless chairs. These cushions are quite firm, and they're also weatherproof, waterproof, so you can just wash it. It attaches to a Velcro tie on the bottom of it that that basically anchors it down, so it won't move around. Overall, it's pretty good height. The feet are actually plastic, and so are the weave, and this whole frame is actually metal. So it probably, like I said, took about 40 minutes to install this whole thing, but these things both clip together because underneath there is these clips that are the clips both together. You can always remove those clips as well, but let me show you really quick. If you lift this thing up, and it's very light, as you can see, all the metal and all the wrappings, and there's like 4 clips I put here so that it sticks together. I did put some more felt pads onto these feet. The feet are plastic, and everything's held down by bolts, so it's pretty nice. Overall, the bolts worked well. Didn't take much effort to actually put the bolts in, and they're all hand tightened. As you can see, I put little felt pads here temporarily because I have this in my living room. But I'm going to be putting this outdoors, and it's now outdoors. So overall, it feels really firm, and it's really comfortable. You can always change out these cushion covers, and it's washable. There's zippers on the side. It's pretty awesome. And this is my first patio set that I actually assembled myself, and it is quite nice in terms of, it's only about yeah. This is my first patio set, so this is my full review of the 2-piece patio furniture set. That's armless. Thanks for watching, guys. It's Tony W. I hope you found the review helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.